Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, September 28th. I'm James Spann. Drier air begins to creep into North Alabama today. The weather looks pretty quiet here for a while. Let's dive in and discuss things. Got a big trough digging down through parts of the eastern half of the United States, but the axis a little north of here is the battle between the trough to the north and the ridge to the southeast. And the front has come to a dead stop around Interstate 59 this morning. North of that front, the air drier. To the south, there could be a few scattered storms later today, mainly over parts of south and southeast Alabama. And you can see the difference in the air mass. Nashville, very refreshing. They're in the 50s. Birmingham sitting at 70. And we'll be cooler tomorrow morning, and the cooler pockets will probably see upper 50s over North Alabama. Dense fog advisories north of the state from western and middle Tennessee north. Got some patchy fog here across Alabama, but not too widespread. Severe weather outlook, you can see the dry air for the northern part of the state. And again today, a few scattered storms for South Alabama. This is tomorrow. North Alabama dry. Day 3 Sunday. There could be a few little pop-up storms, but I think a decent part of the day will be dry. Here's a rain for the next 7 days. Notice some of the heaviest rain in the country in Arizona, of all places. That's because of moisture from Hurricane Rosa coming up in there. Good rains for the Great Lakes, but really not much here. Rain amounts less than 1/4 of an inch for the northern half of the state between now and Friday morning. Rain amounts for South Alabama under 1 inch. In the tropics, big swirl up there in the North Atlantic. That's the ghost of Leslie, and they'll probably give the name back to that swirl today as a subtropical storm. It'll sit there and spin its wheels for several days. Kirk is just in the process of fizzling out in the Caribbean. Here's the track, not expected to last past tonight. Now, there's a whopper of a hurricane right there. This is Rosa. This thing has winds of 145 miles per hour in the eastern Pacific, and that'll be curving up toward Baja, California early next week. Now, it should be a tropical storm by the time it reaches Baja, but look at the moisture coming right up into Arizona, and they're going to have some big flooding problems next week because of that. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06C run, 1 o'clock this afternoon. Trough to the north, ridge to the southeast. North Alabama dry with a clearing sky today. A few scattered storms for South Alabama. The high today should be in the low 80s. Tomorrow should be a partly to mostly sunny day, low to mid 80s. No problems for the football games in the state. Sunday, the GFS continues to bring a slug of moisture up in here, especially on the eastern side of the state. So we'll mention widely scattered showers on Sunday, and again, especially for the eastern side. But here's the high-res NAM, valid Sunday at 1 o'clock local time, and it doesn't show anything at all. So again, obviously no widespread rain. We'll go to Monday, and for next week, there might be a day or two with isolated showers, but much of the week looks dry. Here's Tuesday. This is Wednesday. We'll be in the 80s next week as the ridge rebuilds. Thursday looks dry. A week from today, upper high right on top of us, and again, that looks kind of warm, kind of dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, October 7th. Pretty high amplitude look here. We got the big trough in the southwest, a big trough in the northeast. And if that's right, some cooler air will nose in here with a 1032 high over Minnesota pushing in. And you can see a lot of green on that map. And this is actually coming off the European. I flipped it over there just to show that both models are suggesting this in about 10 days. Pretty cool for the east. Here are the numbers coming off the European ensemble. Mostly low and mid 80s, mostly 60s for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.